Logan, can you tell me what are we listening to? Can you hear the birds? Hopefully you can hear them. They're everywhere. Logan not quite sure what to do. See the beautiful tree out here turning? They're all down there, up in the trees. I don't know if you can see them down here. Apparently it's because of all the harvesting that's going on, is what my mom said. But I don't know. What do you think, Logan? Are those birdies? What do birdies sound like? What do birdies sound like? Oh. Where are you going? What is it? Oh, I thought he was going to get hit by that bird. Did you see that bird? Are you running? There's a pretty tree changing. Huh.
They're talking. If you shoot like a gun, they'll take off. Look, there's some up in Grandma and Grandpa's too.
Oh, we saw them. What do you think, Logan? Yeah?
They're noisy, aren't they?
Where are they? Where are the birds at?
You want me to shoot them?
No. Logan.
Maggie. Hit Maggie looking at the bird.
Oh.